So now I want to demonstrate how we use the horizontal probe with the zCAT under Control Cat. We can virtually do every dimension that we can do with a vertical probe or a horizontal probe. We just need to tell it. But on this demo part, I do have a sphere here. So let's go in and tell it we want to measure a sphere again. And if we, as usual, we get an option of using the horizontal or the vertical probe. Let's use the horizontal probe this time. So again, we need to take a minimum of 4 points. We haven't taken any and any go-to. So maybe I'll give it a go-to right here to position the horizontal stylus above it, and I'll come down and I'll start taking some points with the horizontal probe in different areas. And again, at the end, I'll give it a go-to up here. Maybe I'll also bring the probe back around in the front and give it one last go-to, and then I'll hit end. So when it's done calculating, that will flash. So I'll put it up in the session here somewhere, and that's sphere number 2. And let's just highlight that sphere and run it. And now under DCC, it will go in and use the horizontal probe to measure that same sphere we did earlier with the vertical probe. But you can see we can do the same dimensions with either probe depending on how your part is set up and how it's orientated. And it goes back to my original position. So that's how we can use the horizontal probe with the zCAT, in this case to do a sphere.
Horizontal.